I'm sure you've heard the news about car recalls lately. If you own a Toyota Camry, you might be wondering about your head restraint. Let's walk through how to check for a recall, step by step. First, grab your keys and find your car's VIN. It's a 17-character code, usually found at the base of your windshield or on the driver's side door sticker. Got it? Great. Next, head to the official NHTSA website at nhtsa.gov/recalls. This is the safest and most reliable place to check for open recalls. Enter your VIN into the search bar and click search. In just seconds, you'll see if your Camry's head restraint, or any other part, is under recall. If there's a recall listed, don't ignore it. Contact your local Toyota dealer. The repair or replacement is usually free. Your dealer will guide you on what comes next. If nothing comes up, you're all clear. But it's a good idea to check for recalls every few months, or any time you see news about safety issues. Remember, recalls aren't just about fixing your car. They're about keeping you and your loved ones safe on the road. So go ahead, check your Camry today. It only takes a minute, and peace of mind is worth it. Stay safe out there.